take apart it. We got 1022. 1022.
1022. All right. So how are we going to do that?
So we're going to take apart. So we're going to take apart these two things with these.
With the Allen keys?
Yes, and then my dad is going to take off this. What is it? I don't know what it's called. But and then we're going to
take off the trigger guard.
Then we're going to take off the trigger guard.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it back together on the next video.
All right. So go ahead. Take it apart. So you're taking an Allen key, seeing which one fits. You gotta turn it the other way.
Oh.
There you go. How old are you, Jimbo?
6.
6 years old. Okay. Let's see. See how it feels. Is it loose?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
This one helps.
Here, hold. Oh, then you're gonna take that one out.
Okay, it's time for the next one. Is this way?
Yep. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're gonna feel it click. Not click, but you're gonna feel it come loose. If it clicked, okay, now hold this for me. I forgot because I have this on here. I'm gonna have to, 1 second, take this strap off.
Then should we pause it?
So then, point it over here. Okay, so the tricky part is, yep, pull the bolt back, so that way it's not on safety or off, but kind of right in the middle. And then what you can do, oh, let's see if this all the way out. Here, you holding that? Let's see if this is all the way out. That's off. This is off. Oh, this one's not all the way out yet. There we go. A little bit more. There we go. Pulls this out. You separate the stock, and then I'll hold this, and you show me. What do we take out next?
We take out this part.
To take out the trigger guard. So where do we push?
So we push on here or here.
Well, you get one of those little Allen keys.
Got one.
And see that little circle there?
We push them out.
Go ahead. Hold up. You hold this. Let me take a peek
No,
at it.
wait, it's the other one. So this one. Do you take the other one? Oh no, it's here.
Hold the phone, please. There you use one. There's two. See the pins on this side? Pull those pins out. Down here.
This little boy.
Mm-hmm. Pull them out. And the other one?
Push this one more down.
Here, you hold the phone. Get it over here. There you go. And then there's the trigger guard. So if somebody wants to replace all the
Okay, we're done.
set. Oh, okay, we're done. We'll put it back together in the next video.